This is the aviary I built for my 2 pheasants. It's called the flight aviary. I managed to put them in their own little pond of water, some stumps. They've got shade. Although they do like sun, I planted the tree in here. I was able to plant some cane in there that actually survived. My husband said, that won't survive. I said, well, I'm going to try it anyway. And it's a nice size. It's 16 foot by 12 foot. Gosh, I think it's about 10 foot high. My pheasants are trying to avoid me. But if you look over there in the corner, let me see if I can get a good picture. Be still. There's the male and the female. Back out a little bit. The camera doesn't want to focus for me. There he goes. Do you see him? Those are my 2 pheasants. I went up there, I picked out just 2, and I lucked up and got a male and a female. I think I did pretty good. They're turning out to be quite beautiful. But they have what I consider more of a natural habitat. They've got their tall grass. And I've got some flowers over there planted too for them. Yes, this was very hot here in South Carolina when I decided to get out here and build my babies an aviary. I got them when they were only like about a week old. Kept them in our shed, which is air conditioned and wood stove, so I am never cold or chilly in there when I need to do my work or take care of my animals. But that's my aviary for my babies.